All right, Craig here from Man Cave Sports Cards. Got Sebastien in, who just bought a box of SP Authentic, and he just finished arranging the packs so that he has all the patch cards in one pile. So here he goes, or at least all the decoy cards. Decoy in pack 1.
Pack 2. Patch.
Patch! Save that for last?
No. First one to go.
All right, here it is.
Rookie.
What? No.
It's the wrong one.
Oh, who is it?
Plant.
Oh.
Still nice patch.
Nice patch, though.
Yeah.
Alex Plant.
Man, I just saw the Oilers. I was like, are you shitting me?
Well, that's all right.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
At least it's not all white.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what rookies you get here.
Base.
Base.
Rick Nash. Space Essentials.
What are the patch cards? Like 1 in every 2 or 1 in every 3 boxes?
I think it's 3 per case.
3 per case, oh, so
3
1
or
in
4 per case.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's not good news.
She found you.
Supposed to be the laundromat. SP Essentials, Brad Richards. Hollow Effects, Dustin Penner.
Penner. He's lazy. Oh, who'd he get?
Braden Shan.
Oh, there you go.
Rookie auto. Out of $9.99.
He's from Saskatoon, eh?
Yeah.
Saskatoon Blades boy.
Our team beat their...
In the playoffs?
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did. Was
Rookie
that
non-auto. Stefan Giunta. You know if the patch auto counts for autograph in the box, or is there still 3?
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, I've seen. Sometimes people still get 4 autos in a box. Sometimes they don't.
That one's awfully thin. Got Braden Shan. Not too bad. SP Essentials. Hey Duke.
Milan Hey Duke. How many packs you got left? 3? 4?
4 packs. We'll
Should be at least 1 more auto.
Yeah. It's this. That one's got rookie, auto. Wrong one again.
Oh, is it not? Oh.
McBain.
Oh.
I thought we
Where's the Skinner?
Yeah, the Skinner in there.
Jeez.
SP Essentials, Gilmore.
Well, maybe you'll get 1 more auto. Maybe it'll be a hot box with 4 autographs. I've seen it.
I should have a rookie non-auto in there still.
Yeah, 3 rookie autos though. You've already done better than what they advertise.
Yeah. And Hollow Effects.
Hollow Effects.
Perron.
Perron.
That's it.
That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.